Hi everybody, welcome to the Health channel. Have you ever eaten fruit with its skin? It's interesting to know that the skin of some fruits is edible. Join me as we explore about kiwis. Kiwi is a flowering plant native to southern China and the national fruit of the People's Republic of China. Its egg-shaped fruit is the size of a large egg, with brown skin and green flesh. Historically, this plant was originally a native plant in southern China, then was taken to New Zealand at the beginning of the 20th century and cultivated commercially there. The plant is named after a bird species that was the national bird of New Zealand. After about a week of growth, this fruit becomes a seedling and can be cut into cuttings. This method is one of the most common methods of planting kiwi seedlings in the world. China is one of the largest exporters of grafted seedlings of this fruit. In terms of nutritional value, kiwi is a very rich source of vitamin C. It also has more vitamin C than oranges. Kiwi contains 6 times more vitamin C than lemons and 8 times more nutrients than apples. Its black seeds also contain vitamin D. Kiwi also contains vitamin A and B vitamins. Kiwi is a very low-calorie fruit with 47 calories in 100 grams of kiwi, on par with apricots and tangerines. Its potassium content is higher than bananas and is very high in magnesium. Also, the antioxidants in kiwi can prevent various types of cancer, especially gastrointestinal cancer, and therefore reduce the risk of developing some cancers and heart diseases. Kiwi also contains copper, iron, and phosphorus. Many fruits are more beneficial to the body if we eat them with the skin, because a large part of their vitamins and nutrients are hidden in their skin, and peeling them wastes these substances. Bananas, kiwi, onions, and citrus fruits are among them. The fuzzy skin of this fruit is also edible, but to eat it, you must first wash the fruit well. One of the benefits of eating kiwi with this skin is that the outer layer or kiwi skin contains both soluble and insoluble fiber and also contains folic acid, vitamin E, and phenolic compounds. Note that many chemical pesticides break down about 2 weeks after spraying. So, if the time interval between spraying and consuming the fruit is between 2 and 3 weeks, there is no risk to the consumer. Otherwise, a significant amount of toxins will enter the body, which can be dangerous, so be sure to wash the fruits carefully. More than 4 million tons of kiwi are produced in the world annually. China is the largest producer of this product with an annual production of 2,230,000 tons. New Zealand with 624,000 tons and Italy with 521,000 tons are the second and third largest producers of kiwi. The most important properties of kiwi. Number 1. Benefits of kiwi for the skin. Kiwi contains nutrients, vitamin C, E, and antioxidants, which are essential for promoting and rejuvenating skin health. In addition, kiwi is rich in fiber and antioxidants, which makes it an excellent laxative. Regular consumption of kiwi juice is effective in eliminating toxins and excess substances from the body, thus giving you healthy and glowing skin. As you age, the skin starts to lose its firmness. Applying crushed kiwi on the skin helps in transporting important nutrients to the dermis layers of the skin, and is effective in maintaining the firmness of the skin. The omega-3 fatty acids in kiwi also protect against skin diseases and carcinogens. Number 2. Help enhance beauty. The vitamin C in kiwi also helps to brighten the skin tone, helping to treat and lighten dark circles under the eyes is also one of the benefits of kiwi. Almost all women look for natural remedies to get rid of dark circles around the eyes. You can get rid of them by placing a small piece of kiwi on your face for 10 to 15 minutes. then washing your face with water. This will help lighten dark circles under the eyes. Number 3. Kiwi properties for fighting hair loss. Kiwi contains minerals such as magnesium, zinc, and phosphorus, which stimulate blood circulation and thus accelerate hair growth. In addition, it is rich in iron, which is a necessary nutrient for increasing hair health. Kiwi contains a lot of vitamin C, which helps in the formation of collagen in the scalp. Vitamin C also facilitates the absorption of nutrients in the scalp and nourishes your hair. Number 4. Benefits of kiwi for the digestive system. Kiwi corrects any imbalances in the digestive tract by nourishing it and acting as a probiotic. In addition, this tropical fruit also contains actinidin, an enzyme that breaks down proteins and aids in their digestion. Number 5. Kiwi and weight loss. If you are looking to lose weight, kiwi is a great solution. 100 grams of kiwi has only 55 calories and its distinctive taste is loved by many people. Kiwi also contains insoluble fiber, which reduces hunger and increases feelings of fullness. Number 6. Prevent respiratory disorders. Vitamin C is usually recommended for people with respiratory diseases such as asthma and chronic cough. Kiwi, because it is rich in this essential nutrient, is suitable for people with respiratory problems. It soothes the respiratory tract and controls symptoms such as wheezing and nasal congestion. Number 7. Kiwi and diabetes control. Fortunately, kiwi is one of those fruits that diabetics can eat without worrying about their health. Thanks to its high fiber and fructose content, the glycemic index of kiwi is extremely low, only 53, which prevents sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. In addition, kiwi contains inositol, an enzyme that helps control blood sugar levels. Number 8. Help improve mood. Eating kiwi is a good way to combat bad mood and despair. This tropical fruit is high in serotonin, which helps boost memory, learning, and mood. Regular consumption of kiwi regulates your appetite and makes it easier to sleep. Eating kiwi is a good way to combat depression. Number 9. Bone health. People with weak and brittle bones should consider adding kiwi to their diet. This fruit is high in vitamin K and calcium. These minerals are essential for bone health and help reduce the risk of bone fractures and osteoporosis. Number 10. Balancing the body's alkalinity. The minerals in kiwi help neutralize excess stomach acid, relieving you of the discomfort and nausea associated with it. But this balance is not limited to stomach health. An acid-alkaline balance leads to useful skin, good sleep, high energy, and a strong immune system. Number 11. Liver health by consuming kiwi. Kiwi is one of the best options for people with liver problems. As mentioned earlier, this fruit has more vitamin C than lemons and oranges combined, and therefore protects the liver from damage. This vitamin is a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals and helps regenerate cells, so it is beneficial for the liver. This is important because the liver is the only organ capable of replacing damaged tissues with newer, healthier cells. Number 12. Treatment of mouth ulcers. Kiwi is recommended for people with mouth ulcers, a painful condition that occurs on the inner walls of the mouth or tongue, and blisters that appear. This condition also causes difficulty eating salty or spicy foods, or even when drinking water. Kiwi, with its high vitamin C content, is known to reduce blisters and improve the condition within a few days. We know that excessive consumption of anything may endanger our health, where we explain the possible dangers of excessive kiwi consumption. An allergy to kiwi can cause a serious reaction in some people. This allergy is usually accompanied by diarrhea, mild swelling, abdominal pain, and an itchy mouth. This allergic reaction occurs most often in children. Stomatitis. It causes inflammation of the mouth due to its acidic nature. This inflammation is caused by needle-like crystals of calcium and actinidine. Drug interactions. People taking beta blocker medications should avoid eating more than 1 kiwi per day, as it may raise potassium levels to a dangerous level, leading to kidney damage. Kiwi slows the blood clotting process in many people, and this may cause severe harm to people with bleeding disorders. At the end of this video, thank you for being with me. If this information was useful for you, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions about kiwi, ask in the comments section. Your likes give us energy. Your health is our wish. Have a good day.